That tools pay that debt and it make you money. Fire marshal, they come and do the inspection on your shop. This is one of this. There's a place that I buy all of my tools and you can go check it out. Guys, today I want to give you an update about the shop. One of the things that I want to talk about is what tools you need to buy when you open a shop. As you guys watching my videos, I explained a lot about the mistakes that I did, spending a bunch of money for unnecessary tools that for a previous shop that I owned because of lacking experience. But this time I did it better. But couple tools are essential. Couple tools are the must you need to have when you open a shop. For example, if you open a shop, I highly encourage you, especially if you're in summer, buy AC machine. AC machine is the machine that make you money. And without AC machine, the mechanic shop, you cannot use a can to charge people's car. That's fraud. That's not right. If you are the guy using this can to charge people's car, the AC, you don't vacuum it properly, you don't put the amount back, the right amount, that's wrong. I bought this AC machine. It's a Robinair 34288NI. It's not a new model, but I used to have one. To me, it's the best. It's kind of slow when it charges. It doesn't have a strong pump when it charges. It takes a little bit of time. Everybody talks about that. I'm okay with that. As long as it charges, as long as I can vacuum it properly, and as long as this machine lasts me long. I bought it brand new. I paid $4,300, I think, and it's good. This is opinion. Whenever you buy tools, most of you guys, maybe you don't have that much reserve cash. You don't have saving. That's fine. If you get a loan or get a credit card and buy tools, that tools pay that debt and it make you money. You need to look at the tools buying this way. If you buy a car, it's a liability, it's not an asset. But the tools are asset and they make you money. You shouldn't be worried about, oh, I'm making $250 a month and it's just 10% interest or 11% interest. Be honest, I don't care. As long as that machine, that things that I buy make me money, that's cool. Not the crazy things like I did for Snap-on, 40% interest rate. No, I'm not gonna do that. But it's something reasonable, like 7, 10, 11. You should go and buy the tools. You don't need to wait. And another tool you need to buy, if you do heavy stuff, if you're experienced, engine hoist. Another one, lift. This is 10 KLB, like 10,000 pounds from A plus lift. This is the lift that I used to have in another shop we bought. This is the third one that I buy from this company. It's from Amazon and it's very strong, easy to install. I installed it with one of my mechanics. It's super easy to install, it's not hard, and they last long. And they have a good customer service too. If something goes bad, never. But if you have any question, for example, I called the electrician. They came and they saw the sticker for safety, just kind of turn. They said you need to get another one. I texted them, they're gonna send me another one. That's it. You need to have this one. This is one of the important things. You need to have this. It's a must. You need to have. And another thing, if you're applying for business license and fire marshal or some other fire marshal, they come and do the inspection on your shop. This is one of this. These are for food, but you can buy like a cheap one. I bought this $45 from a guy on Facebook. A lot of them for sale. It's very easy to buy, and just you need a truck. Go load it, bring it to your shop and use it, because fire marshal, they normally ask, do you do AC? Yes, I have AC machine, because they don't want you to go and open a line and just drain all the freon to the pollution. That's one thing. Where do you drain your used oil? That's the things you need to have. This is another thing. Toolbox, tools, set of guns and set of sockets and stuff. These are normal. These are the things that you should have. If you're a mechanic, you should have. The owner of this building, I promised myself I'm not gonna get into the tires, but he said, hey, I have a balancer, very cheap. You wanna buy it? The balancer, it's an old balancer, but it's really good. I said, how much? He said, $500. I said, okay, that's cheap, bring it over. He wants cash, I paid him cash. And for this, I had to buy a tire mountain installation machine. I bought it from, there's a place that I buy all of my tools, and you can go check it out. It's called jbtools.com. Their price always cheaper than Amazon. Always. I bought the Altel MS919 and in Amazon it was like I think $3,600. On JB Tools it was $3,099, something like that, and it's way cheaper, always $400-500 cheaper than Amazon. They have free shipping, they deliver it. And because I buy cars and sell cars, most of the time I need tires and I have to do my own tires. I did tires on this car, in this Honda. I paid $130 for another company to do this. I bought that one $500. I bought the tire machine $2,500, $3,000. And I think at least I can do my own tires. I don't need to pay and send them car without tag outside for tire replacement. They charge a lot. And another tools you need to have is this one, transmission jack. I bought this from Amazon. I don't like these siding things. I didn't install, I don't use it. I don't install because if you remove the transmission, it won't sit flat. And it doesn't have all the sides adjustment. It has 2-side adjustment, but I think it works great. That's fine. I like this. And these, you need 2 of them. You need 2 of these jack stands. You need 2 of these. These are so important. These are the essential things you need to have. And then you need to have scanner. What kind of scanner? It depends on you, depends on your budget, how much you want to spend. Tire machine, something is not, you don't need to. And another thing that I did, the first day when I came, I ordered oil drum, 3 of them, full synthetic blend and the coolant. Because when you buy it as a gallon, it's so expensive. So expensive. I buy a gallon, for example, this is for and I order transmission fluid too. It comes $37 for 45 gallon. When I buy it like 55 gallon, every quart comes like $3.7. Way cheap. I'm wasting a lot of money. If you don't do that, you waste a lot of money on oil. Buy a drum. It's investment. It is the investment. I think in full synthetic I bought it like 600. For coolant I think I bought 400, and the blend I think I bought like 4 something. I don't remember, but it's way cheaper than buying a gallon. Just I order oil filter, boom, we have oil. After it's done, I want to call it again, they drop it off, and I have oil for a couple months basically. I don't need to buy oil every day. Jump box, you need a good jump box. And I bought this 6,000 pound lift from the guy, and it's called Atlas TDCMR. I bought it from Facebook and I paid cash, I didn't finance it. It works great. We have this Porsche Cayenne, and that's it. I think these are the tools you must have. You need to have investment, and you need to calculate your budget when you open a shop, because it costs a lot. Rather than applying for business license, get insurance, putting deposit, putting first month down payment, first month rent, and then you need to have a computer, you need to have a desk, you need to have office supplies, you need to have a lot of stuff. But these are the main thing. These are the most have tools if you open a shop you need to buy. All right guys, thank you so much for being here and watching my video till here. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video.